Okay, it's time to find a good book, and we've got lots of resources on our website to help you do that. So I'm going to walk you through the page to help you look at all the different ways we go about trying to help you find your next great read. Okay, let's start on our homepage. And where I'm going to want you to go is over here. So click on Book Suggestions right there. And this will bring you to our book suggestion page where we have a lot of great resources to help you find a good book. If you like a Netflix type approach to finding a book, you could use either one of the public library sites. What the public libraries do is organize by different categories. And so you could look at their new stuff here. You could look for teen reads, manga, classics, trending now, fairy tales reimagined. You can see, like Netflix, they organize their books in different types of categories that can sometimes help you find the book by the genre that you like to read. If you want book recommendations from Los Altos students, you can look at these two places right here. Imprint is our Instagram page with reviews written by students on books. These are more recent books. And You've Got to Read This, which is our book blog. All these reviews are written by Los Altos students from books, and they're tagged with different categories. So if you're looking for a particular type of book, you can just click on that category, and it'll take you to all the books that students have reviewed that were tagged by that. If you're looking for award-winning books, you can check this section right here and browse the different categories that have been awarded for different types of books. And these are organized chronologically by year. And so you can look at the books that have been awarded various awards from readers, publishers, and journalists. And finally, there's this section right here that is just a collection of book finding websites that I like and use a lot. So you can scroll through some of these here. This one is particularly interesting. What this one allows you to do is find your next book based on the previous book that you liked reading. So, for example, if that was The Hate U Give by Angie Thomas, you just type in that title in the search bar, and the site will recommend other books that are similar to that book that you can scroll through and find your next book that way. Once you spend some time on this page exploring different ways to find books, I want you to go to the book catalog right there. And what you're going to do once you get there is type in a few of these titles to see if we have them in our collection. And let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let's say one of those titles that you saw was Dear Martin. You're just going to use that in the search bar right here. And you can see that it's in right here. So on your scavenger hunt page, there are the things that I want you to put are the title, the author, and most importantly, the call number, because that will help us figure out where to find the book and get it to you. All right, good luck. Thanks.